trail. Let's boogie.
Uncle Dennis, don't be left behind.
Come on, buddy. All right, here's our first challenge. Muddy trail. Let's go. Okay, see, you did it when I turned off the camera. Alright, good job, Rory. Yay! Yay! Oh, nice. Nice. Look at this. Now you can come down. Yeah. Now you're happy. Oh, no. You're trying to go down.
Yeah, that was good.
Get out of here, something.
Starfish. The more straight your body is, then you'll feel better. There you go. You're doing great though.
Yeah.
Okay, take deep breaths, be relaxed. And relax. Look how relaxed you is. Look at. Wow. Okay, straighten your.
Okay, now swim backwards, buddy.
Look at you. Oh, you're kind of.
Alright boys, let's go island hopping.
Let's go swimming at that rock. Hee-hee. Riley's 8, Caden's 8, Kiki's 4. Oh no, you're 5 now. Bella's 17. 4. Rushing River 2024. Hi.
Down the beach. What's up, boys? Yeah, buddy. What's up, guys? Everybody's on the boat. Checking out.
Look, we fit.
Checking out Blueberry Island.
We did it, boys.
We also fit here. You're at the Blueberry Island, yes. Bye.
Wait.
Oh, hi, I'm sorry.
Yeah, buddy! Yeah, baby!
Oh, this is cool.
Yay! Cool! Look at that! You guys climbed that? Wow! That's cool, that's cool. Hi, Mushroom Island. Yeah, we're sunset cruise and look at that sun. What? Man, there's no wind, right? So calm. This is calm. Look at this. Go, buddy. Yeah, look at Kaden. Captain Kaden. Good job, buddy. Yeah, I trust you, okay? We're not gonna crash, right?
I'll try my best.
Okay. We will. Yo, getting ready to swim. I got my captain here. Kaden's been doing good.
Well, I got to swim.
Buddy, you've been doing good, huh?
I know. Oh, that's a nice
Captain, you
shot.
got it? Yeah. You gotta watch
Aiden's leading the way here.
No, I don't want to pass it to Dada.
I need a ride.
Hold
Yeah.
on to
Aiden's leading us in.
And 3, 2.
Perfect.
Good job.
Perfecto.
Good job, baby. That was perfect.
Brown eyes. Kaden has mommy eyes.
And
I like to stay.
Look at mushroom. Let's admire the mushroom. There's 2 different people on the bike.
Let's go. Yeah, let's be in there. We're like Cape Hunt. We're halfway there. Let's go.
That water will stay there for 3 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys love your hot chocolate, boys. Like it? I see you, buddy. I can't see you. There you are. Yay. Guys relaxing now? Alright. Hello. Hi. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Cheese. 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 buddy? Yummy. Good. You see the sauce? It's good. Not hot, right? It's good. What are you making, Kaden? Gonna make a knife? A wooden knife? That's cool. Oh, this is hot. This is made in Italy. Hang on, baby. Hey, boy. Ooh, there you did it. You did it. You did it, buddy. Nice, Kia, nice. That's these little ones, this little. Yeah, you did it, buddy. Look at that. You happy, buddy? You did it. Look at you. You're a pro now. Whoa, that's a huge park, buddy. Yeah, that's a huge park. Whoa, that's huge. Blueberry Island. You love Blueberry Island?
Yeah, that's a mushroom.
Oh, nice, buddy. How about you, Kaden? What was your highlight today? On the last day? Huh? Boating, yeah. You learned how to drive a boat today, yeah?
With being pilot, maybe even swimming.
Swimming, okay. What else? You guys learned a lot today. Go ahead, go back. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Oh man, somebody's being a jokester over there. Someone's being a jokester. Kind of look.